everyone, today we are going to be playing Teardown for the second time, and we are going to be trying to complete missions part of the campaign. So let's wake up and start a new day. Oh, breaking news. This is new. There has been a break in at least some chemicals. Yep, the perpetrator caused property damage and managed to get away with electronic equipment. CEO Lawrence Lee Jr. says they will upgrade security and should be up and running again soon. I drove a car through that front door. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna turn that off. Let's go do another thing. Tracy investigation, yes. Alright, new person. Parisa Teardown. Also, this is the same person. The customer registry indicates that Lee has worked almost exclusively with a single client recently. The client is only referred to as the BT and no further details, so I really have to bother you with one more favor. Head back to Lee Chemicals and fetch their employee login device. It should be able to cross-reference their log files with the delivery schedule to figure out where they are moving the product and what BT means. I heard they also installed a new security system. Be careful. Yeah, that was on the... So, score 3, which is the login device. So, 3 login devices, and then... Oh, no. Oh, wait, so I'm gonna be, like, hunted down. Oh, I gotta be careful. Alright. I wanna destroy it, but it's locked. Okay. How is it locked? Yeah, it literally is locked. Is there, like... maybe a thing? Do I gotta go around? How it would bush? Here we go. It's just locked. Okay, that's really annoying. Alright. Yeah, this place looks way more scratched up after I may or may not have destroyed it. So there's one there. Where else? One there and then one there. Pick up 3 login devices. For Parasol, they are protected by an alarm system. Security arrives in 60 seconds. Ooh, so I gotta like plan ahead so I don't get like completely just caught off like guard by the police. Alright. This should work. I think. Wait, there's a truck here. It's got a frame. Could maybe use this. So what would be beneficial? Like, where are things? So alright, so I gotta get somehow from that warehouse. Yeah, that warehouse. Wait, alright. Perfect. Vehicle. It's gonna get demolished real quickly, but here goes nothing. How to get into a building. Step-by-step tutorial. These bricks are so strong. Oh my gosh. I can't destroy them with the sledgehammer either, which is really annoying. Wait, I'm just gonna use a scooper and try just like destroy this metal fence. Cause I gotta do that. Yes, alright. Yep. Alright. I think I'm in. Yes. Okay. So that's the thing I'm going for. Ooh, but there's a really nice rooftop view. There. So I could maybe use that pipe system to like get there. Wait, so I need to get across to that building, then somehow carve through the roof, and then call that a day. Wait, so I can go into there. I'm going to go scout ahead. So what are we dealing with? Where is this next thing? What, so that's there, so if we break a hole through there, I can parkour. Oh, this is gonna be complex, because I'm on a time limit of like, what, I think a minute? But this might take me a few attempts actually. Ow, okay, no, that hurt. So how... I'm excited, but also nervous. Oh, okay. Bye-bye, Jorah. What? Come on. Right, there we go. Break down this wall. Come on. Ow, point blank range explosive. Oh, wait, no, I messed that up. Alright, good, there's more explosives here though. So I'm going to just... Yep. There's so much, like, indestructible materials with the sledgehammer. It's kind of insane. That's a generator, and then I gotta get somehow there. Oh no, I don't think I can do this in 60 seconds. T minus. I mean, I can try. Now let's just break down this window. Get up, yep. Yep. Alright, there we go. That window was not big enough. So, alright, that's the second one done. Oh no. Wait, then I can parkour along this pipe. Get there, then run along. I think I might be able to make this work. Might. Is the key word here. Alright, come on. So let's just go destroy the front door, just so it doesn't cause issues for me in the future. Yep, this is adequate. I love the destruction of this game. It's so good. Oh yeah, but I don't have to be from here. Alright, well that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. The entire front door's now broken. Okay, so I gotta get up there. Get the first one, go across here. Alright. Please let this work first try. Ow. Okay, wait. Just gonna refine it a bit. Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Wait, what? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Oh, that's convenient. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Go, go, go! Collateral damage. Wait, no, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. 48 seconds on the clock. What's it? Oh no! Oh no! Let's get crafty. Run, run, run! Run, run, come on! Oh, 12 seconds on the clock. Oh my gosh. That was the most unconventional route ever. I love it. There was probably way more ways I could do it way more efficiently. That was scary. Watching the red trace. Yeah, jump through the window. Find out that I can't get a down. Find a random explosive canister. Yeah, that gate was a burden. Yep, here we go. Have the explosive canister, I throw it. Yep, jump through that little gap. Oh my gosh, okay. I'll continue with the objectives and stuff. Amateur, yeah, wait, new tool. Pick up. Ooh. Do I have limited ammo? What is this? So I'm guessing I can set things on fire now. That's pretty nice. Alright. So Tracy, I need coffee. They turned off the gas. I can't even make a proper coffee anymore. We really need to bring some more clients. I'll reach out to Gordon and see if he has something else. I haven't heard back from the police. That thing sorted? Mom. Oh, wait, and then Gordon will. Thanks for helping me out with that building. What building? What? Never mind. The police were snooping around a little, but it seems I've cooled off now and we can finally start construction. I actually have another job for you. See, I bought the CR recently, but it's too large for the Mariner, and the board says there's no space for a new dock. So could you use your demolition skills again and remove one of the timeshare cabins? If the original documentation also disappeared, then ta-da, like it was never there. Ooh, making space, just making clear space. Alright. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, so that's the escape vehicle. Ooh, this is a nice little space. Wait, so make room for Gordon's new yacht at the Mariner by demolishing the outermost cabin. You can dump safes in the ocean. Alright, well. I'll start off with a little knock on the door. That'll never hurt, just gotta make sure that no one's in there. Alright, yep, cool. Yep, no one's in there. Come on, anything that might be of use to me, valuable, maybe. So how does the blue... Ooh. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that fire. Yeah, this is real nice. So where is this? Here, I'm guessing. Dump it in the water. Wait, and so... Alright. Well, I can definitely throw this out the window. Oh, the roof is probably gonna collapse. Oh, fire alert. I forgot. Oh no. I do want a bit of fire, because that's always nice. You know, just your friendly small fire. Yeah, not a blazing, like... Yeah, that should be fun. That won't spread, right? Yeah, maybe just add some fire here. Wait, can I demolish fire, or will it, like, just spread into more places? Huh. I gotta go quick. Come on, bring it down, bring it down. Yep, this was a great idea. Alright. Ah, yes. Blazing Inferno. Fit through the front door. Come on. Oh no, that's made of metal. Okay, oh, I need you. Uh-oh, blowtorch. Yes, we can carve. Come on. Bring it, no. Just carve the door, please. Oh no, oh no, oh no, yeah, I'm done. Oh, that's a helicopter. Yeah. I was found. Oh no. Restart mission. Not good. Well, anyway, I think that's a good point to end off the video. You've got another little taste of the game. You've seen an alarm triggered. You've seen quite a bit, and yeah, nice. That was fun. And next video I do in Teardown, you get to see another demolition in progress. So see you later. Bye bye.